Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Better with me. Today I'm going to talk about something everyone wants to know: how to make money. But this won't be about get-rich-quick schemes or overnight success. I'll share practical, honest ways that actually work if you put in the effort. Mindset Foundation. First, making money starts with the right mindset. It takes patience, consistency, and learning from mistakes. There's no magic formula, but there are proven paths that can help you grow your income steadily over time. Practical ways to make money. Here are some practical ways anyone can start making money. Get a skill and offer services. Identify a skill you're good at or interested in, like graphic design, writing, coding, digital marketing, or teaching. You can offer services online on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even locally. Start a side business. This could be anything from selling homemade products to dropshipping online. The key is to find something you're passionate about and test the demand before investing too much money. Invest wisely. Learn about investments such as stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrencies. But start small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and educate yourself before jumping in. Create content and monetize it. Like this channel, you can start creating videos, blogs, or podcasts and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. This takes time but has great long-term potential. Save and budget smartly. Making money isn't just about earning more, it's also about saving effectively. Budgeting helps you keep track of expenses and frees up money for investments or opportunities. What to avoid? Be cautious of promises like easy money, overnight success, or get rich quick. Many scams exploit these ideas. Real money requires real effort, learning, and time. Final tips. Keep learning and improving your skills. Build multiple income streams and don't rely on just one source. Be patient and persistent. It's a marathon, not a sprint. In the end, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest tips on learning and growing together. Let me know in the comments what money-making topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.